Hi, Michiel.
Hi.
Tell us something about you.
I work for Unhosted, which is a non-profit project which came out of a hobby holiday, really. I went this winter. I went to Bali for 3 months to program on this hobby project, and I call it Unhosted. And then people told me that if you quit your job, then we'll give you donations to work on this. So that's what happened.
What's Unhosted?
It's a project to promote the separation between applications and data on the web. So we started out with talking a lot about end-to-end encryption, and now the thing we're focusing more on now is remote storage standard, which is saying everybody who provides per user cloud storage should put cross-origin headers on there, and OAuth and WebFinger, so that people can use that storage on websites.
Okay. Why is this important?
Because right now people have their data inside websites. So people are still used to having their data on their local hard disk, but the way the direction things are going, people will have less and less control over their data by having it on their hard disk, because more of their data will be in the cloud. And in the cloud it will be inside websites where they don't have control over it. So with the remote storage standard, the user can have their data in a per user cloud where they decide, and any per user storage that you get will be compatible with the rest of the web.
So cloud is the big future?
It looks like it, yeah. Different types of in different types of ways. There's probably 6 different things that you can call cloud. You can say infrastructure as a service is cloud, or flexibility, or platform as a service, or software as a service, or storage, or synchronization, and all these things are important, I think. So, yeah, it's in 6 different meanings of the word cloud. I think it's where things are going.
Another topic is the freedom of web.
Mm-hmm.
Tell us something about.
Yeah, there was a very inspiring talk by Ibn Moblin called "Freedom in the Cloud," which inspired a lot of people to start projects, and Unhosted is one of those. And it's freedom in the cloud. It's sort of a term that sums up what we just said, that your data is going to belong to companies where you're not a customer, you're a product. And we need to keep the web open so that users have control over their data, and they can be free from monopolies and any other forces that might want to infringe on your freedom.
Like Apple?
Well, Apple will always do what they do, and they do it very well. So they just set a good benchmark for the open web, I think. Whenever Apple does something, you can say, okay, that's bad because it's a monopoly. But that's not solving the problem. I think the open web should just always be at least as good as whatever Apple does. And that way, Apple's, by presenting this closed system, they're actually driving the development of the open web, because they remind us of what sort of stuff we should be making to keep people using the open web.
Finally, your impressions from the IPC WebTech?
I think it's a great conference. Yeah, I was before I started this the Unhosted project, which is written mainly in JavaScript. I was a PHP developer, and so I relate a lot to the whole buzz here of people developing exciting stuff. And I've been to a lot of the talks and seen a lot of very interesting stuff here.
Okay, Michiel, thank you.
Thank you.